Hey everyone, Sue here from Auto, and today I want to talk to you about electrical repair kit. It's a nice little carry case. It has 285 pieces with it. Let's set it down, unsnap it, it unfolds. You can open up both sides at the same time. Get the tools you need. Comes with the crimpers. Comes with two little small screwdrivers, a Phillips and a flat blade. Nice little car test light. Some jumper cables, not meaning battery jumper, but test jumpers, test cables. Electrical tape, extra wire if you need it, wire ties, fuse puller, and it's got heat shrink, some little adapters so if you want to run wires with grommets, make it look really nice. It's got all the connectors you need. Now these are for house wire, so if you need to do a quick outlet at your house, you get some wire caps. Then it comes with all assortments of butt connectors to eyelet connectors. Old glass fuses for your car and updated fuses, mini fuses. Comes in this carrying case, easy to store. Have it right at your fingertips. If you need this tool or like it, and want any other tools, click on the link below and head right over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.